By the time it's more the
Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our morning live trading session. Right. On this session, I analyze the market and then I give out free signals. So if you are here this morning, if this is your first time, welcome to our live trading session. All right. So as I've said earlier, on this session, I analyze the market and I give out free signal. And you, as the audience, um, you follow my instruction and um, you know do everything that I do. So if I give out the free signal, I'm expecting you all to anticipate. Okay, and before you can do that, you need to fund your account. Okay, your account needs to be funded. You need to have a balance in your trading account. And if you found on my live stream, you see that banner where deposit with benefit is boldly written on. If you use that banner to fund your account, if you fund up to $10, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 2 weeks. Okay? If you fund up to $15, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 1 month. And the benefit of joining my premium group is you get free signals back to back. Okay, you get free signals back to back. You get signals, at least 3 signals per day. All right. Aside signals, you also get free market report, and you get information on if there's a news event that is going to happen in whenever it's going to happen. So you get the information firsthand. All right. So that's the benefit of joining my premium group. And if you fund up to $200 on this live stream using that deposit with benefit banner, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 1 month. You get to enjoy all the benefits I've mentioned listed out earlier, and then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. Okay, you get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. So guys, let's take this opportunity. It's very important. All right, it's very, very, very important. All right, so let's go into the activity of today. Let me show you what is going on in the market. So here we have USDCAD on the 1 hour time frame, and so we obviously can't take the trade from the 1 hour. Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to 5 minutes. Okay, let's say a 5 minute time frame. So I'm just going to clear out everything that I've drawn here earlier, right? And as you can see, the market is currently on a support, wanting to move to the upside, which is good. All right, guys. So I think we should follow this trend. Uh, we have a very small stop loss. So even though the market goes against us, we are not going to lose too much. All right. Let's follow this trend. Okay, guys. Just wait for my instruction. All right. USDCAD. Go to USDCAD chart now and buy. So we bought from here. You see, we have a very tiny stop loss. We have a very tiny stop loss, and this is our take profit. So if this market goes to stop loss, how much are we going to lose here? Oh wow, this is 2.2. 2.2 pips, not up to 50 cents, guys. So I'm telling you, this is worth risking. Okay? You're not going to lose up to 50 cents if you take this trade. All right? So we are currently on this, and let's see how much we are gonna make if this market goes in our favor. So if it goes in our favor, we are gonna make 4.3, which is also very good. That is like double of what we are risking. Okay. So if you risk $1, you're gonna make $2. If you risk $2, you're gonna make $4, and so on and so forth. Okay. If you risk $10, you're gonna make $20. So please risk wisely. All right. You can risk 50 cents. All right. So let's just give this a chance. Let's allow it to play out. As I've said earlier, our stop loss is very minimal, very, 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 very small. Okay, good move. Guys, we are currently in profit. Our trade is in profit. All right. Guys, we are in good profit, in a very good profit. So let's just allow the market to move further before we close our trade. Okay. So our entry was a perfect one. Well, let me not use the word perfect first for now, because right now the trade is still running. Okay. So we need the trade to end before we can say we got the perfect entry. Okay. We are still on this market. We are holding. Guys, we are still holding this trade. If this trade closes below the block, this block, okay, this rectangular block. If the market closes below the block, we are going to close the trade. All right. All right. So it's going close below the block. It's going okay. So it's already below the block. The block. Let's see if the candle is going to close below. So as I've said earlier, we are going to go out of the market if it closes below. Okay, not just go down to it, but closes below it. All right. So a few seconds more to the end of this current candle. All right. So the candle is looking good. The candle looks good. So I think we should leave this trade to keep running since the market didn't hit our stop loss. So the rejection there is a good one. So I think we should just leave this market to keep running. All right. I mean, what are we risking? It's just 2.2 pips. Okay. That is almost like nothing. Okay. right? We are still holding this trade, and a few seconds more to the end of this candle. So let's see how this candle closes, and most likely we are going to close this trade because we've spent so many minutes here, and unless I see, um, you know, unless I find something convincing, we might have to close the trade. All right, guys, let's close the trade, please. Close all positions, right? So the rejection that was created, um, the move that was created to the downside means that the market is going to continue to go down. So let's leave and look out for another entry on another trade. Okay. So first trade this morning is a loss. Who took trade from yesterday? We got so lucky yesterday. There was a news event that happened on the euro side, and we got lucky. We got so lucky that we took the trade and the market favored us. In fact, the market went down more than we anticipated. All right. So this is XAU USD, and as you can see, the market is facing downside. So right now, I think the market is going to sell for a bit. Okay, maybe to this area to take out all the liquidities here before it continues its movement to the upside if the market is going to go uptrend. Okay. So that for you that love trading the XAUUSD, that is the analysis for gold. Okay. So whatever you want to do with it. Okay, so let me reanalyze it. All right. All right. So I'm looking for an entry here. But the reason why I don't like giving out signal on gold is because the pair is very volatile. Okay. So you might to control the amount we are going to lose is very hard with XAUUSD because it's very volatile, and when you go in, it can easily sweep your account. Okay, it can easily sweep your account. That is why giving out the signal is very hard for me. Okay, I prefer I give out the signal, even though the signal goes into loss, but at least we have a reasonable amount, something that we can get a hold of, right? But as I've said, you see, the market is going down. The market is going down. Okay. So if you want to risk with me, let's see how we can risk it together, right? Give me a sec. All right. All right. So, all right. So let's look out for another one. Let's look out for another entry opportunity elsewhere. The opportunity I was waiting for here is not playing out the way I had thought it would. Okay. So, all right. So here we have the BTC USDT. BTC USDT is also a very volatile pair. Okay, you don't want to joke with it. If you have a very low balance, it is not advisable to trade the BTC USDT. Okay, so they are also the BTC USDT is as volatile as gold. Okay, if not more. So if you have a very low balance, I would suggest you just take your eyes off it. Okay. So, but I'm not saying that you can't trade it. Just that if you have a low balance, I don't advise it. All right, I don't advise it. And the reason is because if you have a low balance and you don't know how to manage your risk properly, you might end up losing, more to the market than you can make. Okay, so let's see how this plays out. Let's see if we can get an opportunity to enter the market. Guys, BTC USDT, go to BTC USDT. Let's cap it. Okay, let's cap BTC USDT. BTC USDT sell now. Okay, I sold from here. All right. So we are selling BTC USDT. All right. So we are currently on BTC USDT. All right, we are currently on BTC USDT. Let me zoom this out so we can get a better view of it. How many pips are we risking here? All right. So we are risking about 6 pips. Okay. Let's say about 7 pips. So if the market closes above this area, we are going to close our trade. Okay. So right now we are not risking up to the previous amount. Yes. We are risking just 5 pips here. We are risking just 5 pips. Right. So we've had very slow move. Okay. But we are currently still holding the trade. Let's see how it plays out. So if this candle closes with a full body, a bullish body, then we are going to close the trade. Or if it goes and hit our stop loss, we are going to close the trade. So the market is moving close to our stop loss area. All right, guys, beautiful move, beautiful move, beautiful move. We are in profit. We are currently in good profit. I'm telling you, we are making profit here right now. So the market didn't hit our stop loss. Instead, the market came down immediately. All right, I guess that was just a pullback. So let's give this a little bit more time. Okay, let's give it a little time to continue its movement to the downside. That was a good rejection, though. I like that. So we're gonna give this another. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. So guys, our trade is running in good profit. Our trade is running in good profit. If you didn't take this trade, I'm sorry for you. Yeah. So our trade is running on profit. We are in good profit. I'm telling you. This is the 5 minutes time frame. All right. So guys, that is it. We are making profit. All right. We are making profit here. Okay. So you can close um some positions if you have multiple positions open. If you have two positions, please close one, let's leave one. Okay, I have five, I've closed three, I'm left with just two. So I'm going to leave the remaining two and see how the market plays out. All right, the same way we did yesterday. Okay, so I have two positions running right now, and I'm going to leave the two positions to hit my take profit. I'm going to leave the two positions to get to my take profit. What I did is, um, you know, it's been smart. Okay, I'm trying to play smart. And how do you play smart in forex trading? You play smart simply by running away with your profit. I'm telling you, don't get greedy. Don't wait until they say take profit now. You know, go close your trade again. All right. So take profit when profit taking is due. Don't wait until you are being told to close your positions. Take your profit, close positions. All right. So right now, if you have multiple positions, as I've said earlier, make sure you close some and leave the rest. So even though the market later goes against us, you're not going to lose anything. All right. Because the money you have made is as if the one you have made already is the one you are currently risking right now. Okay. So you are not risking your initial balance, your initial fund. Right? So that is how to be a smart trader. Okay, so I don't like the rejection I'm currently seeing here right now. If this rejection keeps on this way, we might have to close the trade and look for another entry opportunity. All right. Okay, so the market has gone back to the entry point. The market has gone back to our entry point after closing some positions. Okay, so if this market closes with this bullish candle, we are going to close the trade. All right, we are going to close the trade and hold on to the profit we made from the two from the positions we've closed earlier. All right, we are going to close because I don't want the trade to go into loss and then, we didn't. It's going to look as if we didn't make anything today. Yeah. So if this candle closes bullish, we are going to close our trades. All right, and secure the profit we made earlier. So it's BTC now. It's very volatile. Okay, it's very volatile. All right, guys, let's close our trade. All right, so the market is currently on our entry zone. Please, let's close all our trades. So congratulations, we made profit from our first the first time we closed our positions when the market got to this level. Okay, so we closed some positions. If you risk $1, you definitely have up to $2 now, because when the market got to this area, the market gave us, double. Okay, the market gave us what we risked. Just that if we allow the market hit this area, if you risk $1, you would have made 1.5. That is what it's just, but that is what it means. Okay, so but the area where we close the market is also a very good zone. Okay, it's also a very good zone because I know how much I've made from the positions I closed earlier. All right. So, but look at what's going on in the market. The market just keep going down. I don't know if the downtrend, if the bearish move is going to hold, but yeah, let's just stay out of the market. Let's stay out of the USD, BTC USDT for now. Let's go to another market. Okay, so let's check this out. This is Ethereum USDT. I think I'm gonna have to be trading those instruments more because I like them, even though they are very volatile, but they have almost zero spread. Okay, so that is why I like them so much. Anyways, let's continue. Okay, let's continue. Okay. All right. So this is Nas 100, Nasdaq 100, US Tech 100, whatever, whichever name you want to call it, is the same. Okay. US Tech 100, Nasdaq 100. Okay, Nas 100. US 100. Okay, it's all the same. All right. Okay. So this pair is also very, very volatile. Okay. This is the Nasdaq. I'm telling you, is super, super volatile. Okay. So we are not going to be trading this. But this is what is going currently. What is going to happen? Okay. This is currently what is going to happen. But as I've said, we are not going to trade it. Okay. We are not going to trade it. And the reason is it's very volatile. All right. It's very volatile. So let's move away from that. This is BNB USDT. Guys, crypto instruments are very good instruments. I'm telling you, these are instruments you can actually make good money, good amount of money with. Okay. Okay. Let's go to 3 minutes. All right. Let's see if we can take the opportunity here. Okay. Let's see if we can get the opportunity from this. All right. So we have multiple areas we are currently looking at. From the higher time frame, the market shows a strong down movement. So that is why we are not going to pay too much attention to this. All right. But if the market comes back here, I'm definitely going to sell to the downside. I'm telling you. All right. So this is BNB USDT. All right. That is Binance against USDT. All right. Okay. So All right. All right. So I'm not getting any opportunity there. Let's just move along. Let's just let's go check other pairs. Okay, here we have AUDJPY. Let me see if there will be an opportunity. Okay. Okay, so before I can take a buy here, I need this to get violated. So I need this market. Yeah, I need this to get violated. Okay, I need this market to go above this level. That is the only time I can think of. All right, um, let's do something. Yeah. Okay. So let's wait for the current candle. If it gets rejected around that area, we're going to take this a sale. Sorry. This is AUDJPY. Okay, so the market closed above, but I'm not going to take this because This is actually where I want it to go above, right? This is where I want it to go. Maybe touch this, right? But this is here. So I'll still count this as below and not above. All right. So guys, we've come to the end of our morning trading session for today. Um, we have our Telegram live coming up in the next 30 minutes, around 11:30. So guys, please join me on the Telegram live. Let's see what we can do, together to move forward in a better way. All right. So I'll see you guys on the